Today we're gonna make this summer corn and arugula flatbread. Look how beautiful. To get started on making our flatbread, I have here 2 flatbreads and all of our ingredients. So we have first with our corn. So this is about 1/4 cup of just corn kernels that I sauteed in a pan with about half a tablespoon of olive oil. Just saute it so you could toast it up. And then we have arugula, some cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, and of course olive oil, lemon, and salt and pepper. So we're gonna assemble these right now. We have here just our flatbreads. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in a bowl and I'm gonna brush those. Brush the flatbread. I love making flatbreads because you could be so creative. You can literally put anything on them. And you know, you always try to make them so that you use ingredients that your kids will eat or your family. So here we have brushed them with some olive oil. Next, we're gonna put some fresh mozzarella. I'm gonna put 2 slices down on each one. I'm gonna put them down on this lined parchment paper tray here. I've preheated the oven to the convection setting, 425, so it's nice and hot. Here I have some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna take these, slice them up. So we're gonna take our cherry tomatoes and put them down on top of our mozzarella. Perfect. And next we're gonna take our grilled corn. So we have our sauteed corn that we've already pre-roasted. I've taken it out of the oven. It was about 12 to 15 minutes cooking. You see it's nice golden brown and our mozzarella cheese is nice and melted. I'm gonna take them over to my cutting board here. And now we're gonna take that delicious arugula that we've tossed with our olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. We're gonna add that on top. And our flatbread's ready. Look how gorgeous. I'm gonna cut it up and serve it. Perfect. For this full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for my favorite products.